The following events happened on Bitcoin and its community, how we overcame them, and what exactly happened. Let's start. The mysterious vanishing of 850,000 Bitcoin. Mt. Gox, one of the world's largest Bitcoin exchanges based in Japan, built up a huge customer base and handles around 70% of all Bitcoin transactions. However, in February 2014, the company suspended all trading operations and closed its website after serious technical problems, which resulted in a loss of a huge amount of money. 850,000 Bitcoins, or nearly $500 million, just disappeared from Mt. Gox accounts, leaving their owners out of pocket. The Evolution exit scam. In mid-March 2015, notorious darknet marketplace Evolution, one of the largest gun, stolen credit cards, and drug bazaars operating on the Tor network, suddenly became unavailable. Several days later, it became clear that its administrators, Berto and Kimball, were engaged in a well-executed exit scam. They had disabled Bitcoin withdrawals due to mythic technical difficulties and stolen all the Bitcoins held in users' escrow accounts. The total amount of loss is still undecided. While some report tells about 40,000 Bitcoin, around 12 million, were lost, a former Evolution staff member insists that the marketplace held around 35 million, or 130,000 Bitcoin. The 19 million Ponzi scheme. In 2015, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a charge against two web-based cryptocurrency mining businesses, Jaw Miners and SendMiner, both controlled by Josh Garza. According to the SEC, these companies didn't have the hardware necessary for Bitcoin mining that they offered. Instead, they used illegal Ponzi schemes and paid out returns with the proceeds obtained from new investors. Jaw Miners and SendMiner took money for providing access to hashlets, cloud-based mining machines that could be activated and controlled online through the ZenCloud web interface, selling fraudulent mining contracts. Initial price was 16 per 1 mH/s sliced. Garza and two of his companies collected around 19 million from 10,000 investors and used the funds to line their own pockets and provide payouts to first customers. Now it is Crypto Chronicles after all, and I hope the stories shared today were very eye-opening for those involved in Bitcoin and who are part of the Bitcoin community. It's scary to know how vulnerable we are, but this shouldn't discourage us from being part of something new, revolutionary, and that could impact the lives of many people in a positive way. These stories were summarized by Sean Patterson, link in the description. Lastly, it should be noted that these malicious attacks and scams presented to the Bitcoin community were something that we, as a whole, were able to overcome with time. Time does heal all wounds. There is truly strength in numbers.